Buying a 3D pen feels like a gamble sometimes. You either get a creative tool or a plastic clogging nightmare. I wanted to see which ones actually handle real-world projects without jamming or breaking down. So I picked up the most popular options on the market, including the essential refills, and tested them myself. Whether you're buying for a crafty kid or a serious artist, I've figured out which one is actually worth your money. Product number 1, Scrib 3D Pen Filament Refills. Before we get to the actual pens, we have to talk about fuel. You can have the best pen in the world, but if you run cheap plastic through it, it's going to clog. I grabbed this massive pack from Scrib 3D because it comes with 20 different colors, and honestly, having that variety sitting on my desk made me want to start building immediately. I ran this PLA filament through a few different pens, including the MYNT 3D and Pica 3D models, and it fed through incredibly smoothly. I didn't get that popping or bubbling you sometimes see with low-quality plastic, and there was no weird oily residue left on my hands or the nozzle. It melts right in that sweet spot between 160 and 210 degrees Celsius. With over 300 feet of material here, this is basically the must-have. Add on so you don't run out of plastic 10 minutes after opening your new pen. Product number 2, MYNT 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. Picking up the MYNT 3D Professional, the first thing I noticed was how light and ergonomic it felt. It doesn't feel like a clunky toy, it feels like a legitimate art tool. The standout feature here for me was the OLED display. Instead of guessing how hot the nozzle is, I could see the exact temperature and adjust it in single-degree increments. During my testing, that precision was huge. I could turn the heat down for slower, detailed vertical lines, or crank it up to 230 degrees when I wanted to fill in a large area quickly. The adjustable feed slider is also placed perfectly under the thumb, letting me slow down the flow when things got tricky without stopping completely. If you are an artist or someone who wants total control over the texture and flow of your builds, this is hands down the best option I tested. Product number 3, Scrib 3D P1 3D Printing Pen. If the last one was for the pros, the Scrib 3D P1 feels like the ultimate starter pack. When I opened the box, I was glad to see it wasn't just the pen. It came with 3 starter colors, a power adapter, and a really helpful stencil book. If you've never done this before, looking at a blank table can be intimidating, so having that guide to trace over was a nice touch. Using it is straightforward. I plugged it in, waited about 2 minutes for the red light to switch off, and I was ready to go. The stepless speed slider works well. I didn't feel stuck between too slow and too fast. I also noticed the motor is surprisingly quiet. It handles both PLA and ABS plastic, but I stuck to PLA for my test and it flowed consistently without any jams. If you want a gift that's ready to go right out of the box, this is a solid pick. Product number 4, 3 Doodler Start Plus Essentials. This one is specifically for the parents watching. The 3 Doodler Start Plus is distinct because there are absolutely no hot parts. I literally pressed my finger against the nozzle while it was running and I didn't get burned. For kids aged 6 and up, this safety factor is the main selling point. It's a bit chunkier than the others, which makes it easy for smaller hands to grip. I also noticed it charges pretty fast via USB-C, so you aren't tethered to a wall outlet while drawing. The plastic it uses hardens a bit slower, which I actually liked because it gave me a few seconds to mold the shape with my fingers before it set completely. You won't get super fine architectural details with this, but for safe, screen-free playtime, it's brilliant. It's the only one I'd trust a younger child with unsupervised. Product number 5, MYNT 3D Super 3D Pen. Finally, I tested the MYNT 3D Super. This sits somewhere between the Pro model and a standard pen. The big claim here is the ultrasonic sealed nozzle, which is supposed to be clog-proof. In my experience, I didn't have a single jam, even when I swapped colors frequently. It handled the transition from red to blue filament without getting stuck, which is usually where cheaper pens fail. It doesn't have the OLED screen like the Pro version, but it still has that stepless speed slider, which I think is essential. I found the flow to be very consistent, which made it easy to draw vertical structures that actually stood up. It works with both ABS and PLA, giving you some flexibility. If you don't need the digital temperature readout, but you want a workhorse that isn't going to break after a week of heavy use, this is a very reliable choice. So that's my take on the current lineup. If you're grabbing one for a kid, go with the 3 Doodler for safety, but if you want to get creative yourself, the MYNT 3D Pro is my personal favorite. I've dropped links to all of these in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.